Downtime at factories caused by equipment failures generates serious costs for manufacturing companies. At such moments, every hour counts. For this reason, an efficient repair is essential, so the entire production line can resume to work as soon as possible. Today, we will see how maintenance works are performed. For this purpose, we have visited the company headquarters of RGB Elektronika in Wrocław.
Świadomi jesteśmy, jak nieoczekiwane przestoje pociągają za sobą wysokie koszty. Dlatego realizujemy ekspresowe naprawy w ciągu jednego dnia. Aby jeszcze lepiej sprostać oczekiwaniom naszych klientów, jako jedyni w Polsce świadczymy usługi napraw i sprzedaży 24 godziny, 7 dni w tygodniu, weekendy i święta.
RGB Elektronika repairs industrial automation equipment including servo drives, inverters, power supplies, industrial computers and other components for machines and robots. We will take a closer look at how an operating panel for an industrial robot is repaired. After its delivery to the service, the equipment is unpacked at the receiving warehouse. To document its condition upon delivery, a worker takes photos of the device once it's unpacked. In addition, cameras record the entire unpacking process. A repair order is then prepared, and the panel is transferred to a buffer warehouse. A repair technician and a regional account manager responsible for customer contact are assigned to the order. First, a cause of the failure is diagnosed, and the work needed to restore the equipment to normal operation is determined. After the initial visual inspection, the device is installed in a special test station dedicated to a specific machine. In this particular panel, the display and the signal cable are damaged. A new safety switch must also be installed. The account manager informs the customer as to the extent of the repair and its cost. Once they are accepted, the repair technician can get to work. Service work starts with device cleaning. Its case is cleaned and electronic components are put into an ultrasonic bath. Next, the washed parts are thoroughly dried. Now we go back to the repair station. The components needed to repair the device are brought from the warehouse.
W magazynie mamy ponad 100 000 produktów, często trudno dostępnych, które jesteśmy w stanie wysłać do naszych klientów w ciągu 24 godzin. Dzięki temu nasi klienci mogą znaleźć urządzenia, za pomocą których przywrócą maszynę do działania.
The technician replaces the keyboard and installs a new board. The repair is conducted in a laminar flow cabinet, thus in sterile conditions. This prevents the possibility of fine particles and contamination, which could later disrupt the panel's operation. Additionally, safety measures are installed preventing electrostatic discharges, which could damage electronic parts. Afterwards, the safety switch is installed. On a nearby station, the signal cable is being prepared as it will also be replaced. Such assembled and prepared device is once again brought to the test station. This way, all its functions can be verified whether they are fully functional even before the device is sent back to the customer. The shipment preparation process is also monitored. The panel is placed in a carton box and secured with bags containing expanding foam which adapts to its shape. This protects the panel against any possible mechanical damage that may occur during the transport. Larger devices, for example motors, are packed into wooden crates. RGB Elektronika repairs, among other things, components for CNC machines, injection machines and industrial robots. Every day, the repair technicians perform repairs to bring factories back into operation.